These are my ingredients: iodinated salt, chopped onions, flour. It can be soft or hard flour. Bread, I've already taken off the crumbs. Grated carrots, tin sardine with the oil on it, and a little water. Green sauce, vegetable oil, mayonnaise. And these are the needed tools: chopping board, rolling pin, bread knife, fish slice, or you can also use graining spoon, frying pan. You are welcome once again to Mama Francisca's kitchen, and today on our tutorials we are going to learn how to make sardine pillows. I'm your host, Mama Francisca, and these are my ingredients and tools. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, kindly do so now, because we have a whole lot of tutorials there which is going to help you to learn how to cook varieties of dishes. And also we have videos on marriage, dating, and love relationships, as well as talk shows. Let's start. We are going to slice our bread into about ½ inch. Okay, and if you know you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, please kindly do so now. Click on the notification buttons for updates. Let's start. So you take each slice of bread and roll it. And this is how we do the rolling. Roll it until it's very, very flat. The type of bread I'm using is Ghanaian butter bread. And you think it's too thick, then you re-roll it at the back. Also, make sure the bread you are using is a day-old bread. Okay, so this is how flat the bread has become. Now, we are going to mix our vegetables. So you take your carrot, then we add the onions, mix together thoroughly. Then take your tin sardine, okay, then you flake the sardine and mix with the vegetables, that is the onions and the carrots. Okay, so you flake together like this. And then you add a little of the oil to moisten it. Sometimes you may use oil. It depends on the quantity of your vegetables. If you want to attend the best vocational school in Ghana, then I introduce to you Frankie Vocational School in Aguna Swedro, where they have courses in fashion designing, catering, hat making, event and floral decor, cake decoration and sugar crafts, electricals, and building construction. They have hostel facilities for those who are not from Aguna Swedro. They write MBTI and NAPTES. You may call and make enquiry on 0208 159 427. Frankie, they always say that they are the academicians with skills. Okay, so at this time, we are now going to add the mayonnaise. You take a different spoon. The quantity of the mayonnaise depends on individual taste and also on the amount of vegetables you are working with. All right, so at this time, we are going to make butter. We are going to make butter with our flour and water. The quantity of water also depends on the amount of flour you are working with, but it should be thick butter. So you don't have to add the water at once. You must add it gradually. So when you add water to flour like this, we call it butter. Thick butter. So now the next thing we are going to do is to take our bread. We take double, and then we are going to spread some of the green sauce on it. Subscribe now to Mama Francisca to the World's YouTube channel if you have not yet done it. And also, if you want to learn more of what I'm doing, contact Frankie Vocational School in Aguna Swedro on 020815927. They have courses in fashion designing, catering, event and floral decor, hat making, cake decoration and sugar craft, electricals, and building construction. When you say Frankie, they say the academicians with skills. So I'm done with spreading of the green sauce into the bread. So this is how we are going to do it. We have different way of molding or shaping it. Okay. So you now spread with your sardine mixture like this. Then you use your butter at the sides. You can use your hands to do it. Remember, I've washed my hands off camera before starting. So if you have clean hands, you can use your hands if you want to. We are using the butter to help seal it. Okay. So in this wise, with this, I'm going to do it like this to seal it. Make sure you clean your hands and make it more hygienic. Okay, so this is how this one looks like. Okay, then the next, you're working on the next slice of bread. Same thing, you put it at the center. You take your butter and spread it at the edges so that you can fold it together easily. I believe in creativity. So with the next one, I'm going to show you a different way of molding. We are going to make that one into a rectangle, a triangular shape. So you fold it like this. So the second one looks like this, triangular shape. So this is how the folding looks like. I did some triangle and I did some rectangle. Okay, so we are going to start to fry. I have my oil on fire. The oil must be a bit hot before you put in your sardine pillows. If you have any leftover bread, you can put it in to check how hot it is. I think it is hot now. So okay. When you are putting it in, you have to be very, very careful. You can also hold it with your fish slice or your draining spoon, whichever one you'll be using to fry. We are doing deep frying. If you're a married woman watching me, or a married man, or somebody who is dating, learn some of these things. It's a surprise for your fiancé, your husband, your wife, because they'll ask you where you learned it from. And you tell them, Mama Francisca's kitchen. We always have surprises. You turn it gradually. How wonderful it will be if you are a married man and your wife gets from work or wherever she goes to come and meet this beautiful sardine pillows. Just after that, she will lay on the right pillow for you. Okay, so I'm taking it off. This one tastes better than a whole lot of fried fish you've been eating. I don't want to mention any name. But it tastes better. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You take it off. So this is how you are going to fry the rest, which I'm going to do it off camera and show you the end product. Okay, so this is the end product of my sardine pillows. So this is how the inside look like. You can eat it with any fruit juice or any of the soft drinks. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, for a whole lot of tutorials, videos on love, dating, and marriage, relationship, and talk shows. Contact me for adverts and orders on +233 542 619011. Like my page on Facebook, Mama Francisca's Kitchen. Visit my website, www.mamafranciscatotheworld.org. Until we meet again, have a wonderful day.